Mumbai, the city that never stops. Let it be rain or sunshine, floods or drought, but the city and its people will move on with the daily chores of work, to earn money, the daily wage, to make food for themselves and their family, just like before. And it's not easy because there's water everywhere, even in their compounds. And sometimes the situation is even worse. But you know what? They don't fuss and they don't complain. They don't have to because they've already dirtied their legs and gotten out to set things back in order. In small ways, no matter how difficult, they work together for themselves and for each other. Water doesn't mind obstacles when it flows, and nor do they. That's the spirit of Mumbai.